So guys, here's the Nissan Juke for you. Finished in the magnetic red pearl paint. They're 17-inch diamond cut alloys. There's a slight nick on the front alloy there, but the rest of them all in good condition, so that one will be sorted as part of our preparation. Okay, so 17-inch diamond finished alloy wheels. You've got 360 camera with this Juke as well. Looks great with the, like you said, the diamond finish alloys. Sorry, the 1.6 TEKNA automatic. Can't say I've come across too many automatics in the Nissan Juke, so a little bit of a rarity. But as you can see, lovely condition. The paint finish is great. Like I said, magnetic red pearl. I'm just going to step inside for you now. So we've got the black leather interior. We've got the Nissan Juke rubber floor mats as well. And just to start it up on the keyless start. There we go. Fantastic. You've got confirmation of the mileage there at just over 15,000 miles. You've got your multifunction steering wheel, navigation system, FM, AM, digital radio, CD auxiliary. Your front facing camera here and your top view camera. As we go into reverse, that then becomes the rear view camera as standard. Okay, navigation system is all on here as well, all ready to use, and the climate control and driving modes are underneath. So your climate control here with your fan speed, heat settings, and all your different modes. And driving modes, you've got normal, sport, economy, and all your driving modes, etc. in there. Automatic gear selector is here. Okay, this vehicle does come with 2 manufacturer keys as well, which I will show you here. Okay, so the 2 Nissan keys and a full Nissan service history, complete in November 2019 and December 2020, and it will be given a fresh MOT and service as part of our preparation, along with the 102-point check that you expect as part of our preparation. So just going to show you a little bit more around the vehicle as well. So full leather interior, which runs throughout into the rear as well. You got your ISOFIX points in the 2 outer seats, and then the compact Nissan Juke still with a great amount of boot space. You've got the rubber protecting mat here as well, which you can remove with the carpet underneath. You also got your parcel shelf protecting all your goods inside up there as well. But I'm sure you want to come and have a look and see it in person. It looks stunning, like I say, in the magnetic red. To book a test drive or book a viewing, give us a call, drop us a message through the live chat, through Facebook, Instagram. We're accessible, very accessible, and very much contactable to get you booked in. So thank you very much, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye bye.